Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to add another row or columns to a table in Google Documents. Open Google Documents that you need. The first option is to use Tab on your keyboard. Put the mouse pointer in the last cell of the row. Press Tab on your keyboard. A new row will appear. You can press Tab to move through the cells. When you reach the last cell and press Tab, a new row will appear. If you want to insert row in a specific position, put the mouse pointer in the cell next to the position that you need. Right-click on the cell. If you want to insert the row above the cell, choose Insert Row Above. If you want to insert a column, put the mouse pointer in the cell that you need. Right-click on the cell and choose Insert Column Right or Insert Column Left option. Right-click on the cell. If you want to insert the row under the cell, choose Insert Row Below. If you want to insert the column, right-click on the cell. Choose Insert Column Right or Insert Column Left option. If you want to delete row, put the mouse pointer in any cell of that row. Right-click on it and choose Delete Row from the list. If you want to delete column, put the mouse pointer in any cell of that column. Right-click on it and choose Delete Column from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!